IUL explained in 5 minutes or less. What if I told you a financial account exists that gives you tax-free growth, tax-free access to your money with zero risk of losing it in the market, and it comes with permanent life insurance protection, all in one account? I know it sounds a little bit too good to be true, but that's exactly what an index universal life, or what we also call an IUL, is. In the next few minutes, I will cover what makes an IUL different from any other life insurance product, how the money inside the IUL grows accessible tax-free, and how you can access it during your lifetime without paying any penalties or taxes. My name is Amanda Ryba, and I have been designing IUL policies for clients for just shy of a decade. I've helped over 700 clients build wealth inside of them. Today, I have an agency of over 70 life licensed agents that I've taught how to do the exact same thing. And I've been producing content here on social media for just about 3.5 years, thousands of watch hours available to teach you how to do it too. So today, let's dive into exactly how it works. First, what is an IUL? An IUL is a form of permanent life insurance, which means it comes with a death benefit, real true life insurance that will last you for as long as you live, as long as the policy stays in force and active. Meaning, whenever you pass away, the life insurance amount will pay out to your beneficiaries 100% tax-free as long as the policy is in force. But there's a unique feature that comes with an IUL that basically allows it to grow a savings account behind the life insurance that grows accessible to at any time in the future, 100% tax-free. Okay, so how does the cash value or the savings account feature grow inside of an IUL? Well, instead of your cash sitting in an actual savings account where it earns nothing, or it's invested in the market where it's at risk of loss, an IUL kind of gives you the best of both worlds. So your cash value actually gets to track a stock market index of your choosing, like the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ, but you don't have to deal with any risk. How it works is when the stock market goes up, your cash value will grow alongside the market up to a certain point. There might be a cap that you cannot exceed. There could be a spread, which is a percentage off the top that the company will keep. And in exchange for you giving up a little bit of your growth of your money, the insurance company guarantees you zero stock market risk. So when the stock market falls, your account loses absolutely nothing. You get a 0% floor. So the way I explain it is you give up a little bit of the upside growth of your money in exchange for zero risk. Okay, so now how does it grow accessible tax-free? The cash value inside your IUL actually grows tax deferred, and there's 2 ways you can access it. You can actually withdraw it, which would make your interest taxable, or you can loan it to yourself, which allows you to access your interest 100% tax-free because loans are not considered income from the IRS. So basically, you have the ability to borrow against your policy's cash value. The insurance company can loan you their money up to the amount that you have available inside your cash value, and then you can go and do with that whatever you want, accessible 100% tax-free. You could use it to start a business, maybe purchase a car, maybe pay for college, maybe purchase a new home, maybe pay for a wedding. And then when you're ready and able to, you can pay back off that loan when you have the funds to do so. The key is you don't want to drain the account too fast or too soon, because if you do, you may be required to still put the minimum no lapse premium into the IUL every single month to ensure that it does not lapse or terminate. Now knowing all of this, which would you choose for your money? An account that just protects you against loss but doesn't really grow, an account that has the ability to grow but comes with a lot of risk, or one that has the ability to grow with zero downside risk? Comment below which one you'd choose. So to recap, an IUL gives you permanent life insurance protection, market-linked growth on your money without risk of loss, and tax-free access to your money while you are alive. It's one of the most versatile financial tools that exists today, and it has a lot of perks. But unfortunately, there is an approval process to it. The insurance company is going to take a look at you. They will take a look at your age, your health history, and your criminal background. They will assess all of that, and they will eventually give you a risk class, which will determine the cost of the IUL and ultimately determine whether or not it makes sense for you to use it to build wealth. If you found this helpful, please share it with anyone that you know that's looking into these products. I've also linked 2 videos here that will tell you more about how IULs work. Subscribe so you don't miss another video teaching you some really cool things you can do with your money, and I'll catch you back here next week on YouTube.